Okay, folks, so I'm going to do another toolbox tour, but this time it's of my toolbox that I carry in my car, or a EDC, everyday carry. Now, I bought this box a couple weeks ago at Sears, and it's 140 piece. Well, the box itself, it's made to fit 140 pieces, but the box comes empty, and I'm going to open it now. As you can see, I'm missing a few parts still. But when I bought this box, it was totally empty. All the tools that I have in here are extras from my other toolbox. Most of them are just 2s and 3s of stuff that I really didn't need or use. And I just decided to fill this box up. Starting from the top, you can see we have a 7/8, 15/16, 1 inch, 1 1/8, missing the 1 1/4. Then moving down to the 32 millimeter, missing that one. I do have the 30, 27, 24, 22, 21, 19, 18, 17, 15. 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, and 13/16. Now those are all 1/2 inch drive, by the way. The ones down here, 3/8 drive. As you can see, I got most of the smaller stuff. Bits driver, 1/4 inch drive. Most of that stuff probably fell down. I just pulled this box out of the back of my car. 1/4 inch drive ratchet, 3/8 inch drive ratchet. Both 36 teeth. Decent ratchets for the most part, but when you need that extra hard to reach stuff, just doesn't do the trick. 1/2 inch drive ratchet, 1/2 inch drive deep sockets, starting at 9 millimeters and working all the way up to 14, 16. Sorry. 5/8 spark plug socket, and I'm missing a few of the SAE standard deep well sockets. Couple of extensions, 3 inch, the little shorties. 1/4 inch drive sockets. There's your metric. Here's the standard. This 3/8 drive extension. I believe that's a 6 inch. Now all of these are, like I said, all of my extra stuff. So here we got a Husky stubby what's this called? Adjustable wrench. Pair of tin snips. They're like China made or something like that, but I've had them for a long time and they work really good. Taiwan, it says right there. Anyways, a lot of Craftsman wrenches. Bonnie, I believe I found this one. An old car that I used to have. It was a Ford Bronco 4x4. This guy, believe it or not, bought off of eBay, and some guy was selling as a set, and it was just all used tools. But I've had this guy for about 8 years now, I think. Comes in handy, you know, does the trick. So got some screwdrivers in there, nut drivers, adjustable wrench. Got remember where I got it, but it's a US nonetheless. It says on here somewhere. Pro America. More Craftsman. It's a Torx bit and a small Phillips. This little guy says USA. Oh, there it is, right there. It's a stubby Phillips. Another spark plug socket. 13/16. SK. 14 and a 15 mil. Open end. Got this guy at a pawn shop for a few dollars. Mostly own Craftsman. I'm not trying to sell Craftsman, but really like them for their lifetime warranty. No questions asked. Battery side terminal. Like I said, a bunch of Craftsman stuff. Most of these I just pick up from pawn shops. Now I've almost made a complete set. I have some more in my main toolbox. And oh, I like this guy. It's a little ratchet deal. Some of these I really don't know where I got them from. Probably a yard sale, garage sale. And oh yeah, here's some of those 25mm stuff that's not listed up there. Just threw them in here just because, so I can have, you know, 1 1/16. Universals. 12 and a 14 mil. 11 mil. Another stubby screwdriver right there. Pratt. Permanent marker, Sharpie. Scraper. Everybody needs a scraper, especially working on those gaskets and stuff. Taking the old ones off. Try not to use it, but works really good though. 1/4-inch drive. It's kind of busted. It's a KD. Still works though. Infamous fuse puller. Use that every now and then on my own car. 1/2 inch to 3/8. 3/8 to 1/4. Stubby extension, 3/8 drive. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think.